Hi friends, this is Jeevanandam. Welcome to the channel of Jeeva Tutorial. Today we are going to see the new terminology, how to introduce yourself quickly. Okay, wherever you have to go for the interview, you have to face the first question of introduce yourself. So we need to make ready for our own self introduction. Okay, for that we have to be make ready for the self introduction. Let us see how to tell the self introduction quickly and shortly. Okay, let us learn. Before getting into the topic, we just want to know what is mean by self introduction. Okay, the self introduction is nothing but it is about you. You have to explain to you and what you are, who you are. Okay, that all you have to explain to your interviewer. Then only they have to be recognize you, and they have to be identify you, and also they have to be identify your unique qualities, what you have say from that. Okay, and afterwards they have to be recruit you for the particular job position. Okay, for that we need to tell the self introduction. Okay, for that we need to introduce ourselves to the interviewer. Okay, that is what the self introduction. uh, some persons are telling the self introduction very quickly. Okay, it is not your self introduction actually. It is a just introduce to you. Okay, for that we need to elevate our speech for a particular 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, as a particular degree holder you need to explain yourself within 3 minutes to 5 minutes. That is what the thing you have, and that much quality and that much stuff you want to have at the time of a degree holder. As a job hunter you need to have that much stuff, and you have to explain yourself within 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, for that we need to make elevate our speech about ourselves. Okay, we do not quite at the time of a self introduction. Another thing we are going to see, when do you need a quick introduction. Okay, if sometimes we may have a chance to introduce ourselves from a particular networking of a people or a group of people. At the time we have to be tell our name and job or business, or some quick introduction we have to be deliver, or else we have or else we have to go to the interview. In the sense, we need to elevate our speech for the self introduction within 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, or sometimes we may presenting our company execute presenting in front of the company executive ourselves, or we have to introduce ourselves into the particular employees. We have to tell our name and role and department location, all those things very short period. Okay, that is also a self introduction. On another terminology, we are also do this type of a self introduction. If you are doing that quick self introduction, it is very sounds good, and also it is very easy. Often people are make standing on you for your stuff and quality what you have uniquely. Okay, that much we have to be deliver our content exclamatively. We have to deliver our content in front of the others. Okay, that is what the quick introduction. That much we want to prepare our self introduction. And even though we have to be make concentrate on our self introduction, at the time of a self introduction we have to be focus on our mind to explain ourselves only. Okay, by the same time we don't want to waste the opportunity for making the good impression, kind of that. Some people are talking very elevatorly. Okay, sometimes huge time they have to taken for introduce themselves. That is also we don't want to do. Sometimes we people are quite at the time of a self introduction. That is also we don't want to do. Okay, as a job hunter, as a interviewee, you have to elevate your speech, and you have to deliver your content very quickly and shortly within a 3 to 5 minutes. That is enough. We have to be, introduce ourselves to others. Okay, for that we have to be make concentrate on it. Okay, so don't waste the opportunity for taking the long time or short time to introduce yourself. Some of the guidelines we need to follow for making the self introduction. Okay, first of all we have to make prepare ourselves. Take a paper and pen. You have to write about your own positive things. Fortunately or unfortunately, you have to be heard from yourself, from your friends and family members too. So you have to take that all things as a unique quality in you, and you have to take that in, take note down into the papers, and you have to be make prepare yourself. Okay, so that is what the thing you have to deliver at the time of a self introduction. It is necessary. This is a one guideline. Another guideline, whatever the thing you have to be prepared in a paperwork, and that you have to be speak in front of the mirror. Okay, the mirror practice is must at the time of a before going to be interview. Okay, the mirror practice will be helpful to you to give the more confidence on you. And in front of the mirror you have to say about yourself, and you have to laugh at you. Okay, you have to be smile at you, and you have to cry. That much you have to be do, in the sense you have a get the self confidence. At what position, at what time you have to be very beautiful, at the time you have to see in front of the mirror. Okay, that will be helpful to you to make the self confidence, and you have to be make improve yourself by practicing in front of the mirror. Okay, and also we have to be practice at the time of a practice. You have to avoid your mother tongue influence. That the time people are saying I mean, or sometimes people are oftenly using some words like that, I guess, I'm, yeah, no, I know, like, really, this and all you have to be avoid at the time of a practicing. Okay, this will be helpful to you to um, solve your fearness, and also it will be helpful to improve your confidence. Okay, and also we have to be quickly completed our self introduction in front of the interviewer. And another thing, we need to communicate with the self confident. Okay, anyhow we need to have the self confidence for attending the interview. If you are having the quality of knowledge, or if you are having the quality of the stuff in you, you don't want to afraid for anything, so you have to be automatically you have with the self confidence. And also with the communication, we have to be focused into our self confidence and into self introduction too. Okay, at the time you have to be strong enough your communication, and you have to be strong enough your self confidence. This will helpful to you your successful interview and successful self introduction of your interview. And another thing, we have to be focused for make communicate very with the self confidence, in the sense you have to be speak loudly and slowly and clearly. What are the points you want to deliver at the time, you have to be make gentle that sentences, and you have to be deliver that content in a gentle way. Okay, so that will helpful to you to improve your self confidence, and confidently you have to introduce yourself. And another thing, we want to maintain a eye contact with the interviewer. Okay, this will helpful to you have a improve your confident level. At the time when you are making the eye contact, the interviewer can believe you are not a liar. Okay, even though we can identify that liar easily, when the people are talking in front of you, they have to be making eye contact with you, in the sense they are not a liar. Okay, sometimes people are telling lie, in the sense they are not making the eye contact into you. Okay, that is the key point, we have to be identify that. The same thing the interviewer also can maintain, so you need to make eye contact with your interviewer. For that purpose, we are introducing ourselves, in the sense we have to be tell our truthness, so we have don't afraid anything. So we need to make eye contact with the interviewer. And another thing, we have to be make concentrated. What are the position we want to maintain at make introduce yourself to the another person. Okay, if you are stand up, you have to be stand up straightly, and the making the head up, and you have to be deliver your content very confidently and boldly. Okay, or else if you are seated, you have to be sit up straight, and you have to be keep your hands on the arms of the chair, and after that you have to be deliver your content very comfortably. Okay, this will helpful to you to get the successful interview in your interview. And oftenly we have to make concentrate on our interview. Keep on listening the interviewer, what all the things they have to be asked, we have to be keep on remember. Okay, all those things we have to be maintained, in the sense we will be obey, and we will answer what they are asking appropriately. Okay, if you are not listen the interviewer, okay, if you have any fear, if you are not concentrate on your interview, so automatically you are not concentrate on your interviewer what they are asking, so you have to lost the chances. So avoid it, and listen the interviewer carefully, and obey the interviewer questions answers. At final, all those things happens into the interview, and you have to be make focused on your interview, and you have to be maintain the concentration on the interview. Okay, so all those things we have to be maintained for the interview. If you are doing all these things, in the sense you will be get the successful into the particular interview. Okay, this is a time we can say thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, post the doubts into the comment box. If you are not subscribed the channel, do subscribe. Thank you very much.